Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio installed, ADB working, and Vysor on your PC. Connect the Android device via USB, unlock it so you see the prompt. Once done, accept the RSA key and enable USB debugging authorization for this computer. Open Android Studio, then open Terminal and run a DB devices to verify your device ID appears. This step proves connectivity. If it fails, replug the cable or toggle USB debugging to refresh the connection. You now link Vysor to Android Studio through ADB. Open Vysor, press Find Devices, and pick the same ADB ID shown in Android Studio. Vysor will request screen capture permissions. Once you accept, Vysor creates a virtual display and may forward ports for input. Make sure Android Studio sees the device in the device chooser. Select it for Run or Debug. This gives you real-time input and view. The why is simple. Vysor mirrors and bridges input so you can interact while deploying apps. You finish by running and testing your app through the mirrored device. Verify touch, sensors, and logcat output to ensure full integration. Once done, if you notice lag or dropped frames, reduce Vysor resolution, enable USB 3.0 or prefer wired connections. These steps reduce latency. If the device disappears, restart ADB with a DB kill server, then a DB start server, and reconnect Vysor. This common fix restores the ADB handshake and gets you back to coding quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.